Welcome back, folks. Today, we have something exciting to share with you. The powerful Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. This compact streaming device will revolutionize the way you experience entertainment. With the Fire TV Stick 4K, you can enjoy stunning 4K Ultra HD streaming at your fingertips. Immerse yourself in a world of vibrant colors and sharp details, unlike anything you've experienced before. Whether it's your favorite movies, TV shows, or even live sports, the Fire TV Stick 4K brings them all together in one place. Just connect it to your TV, and you'll have unlimited entertainment possibilities. And the best part? You can control it all with just your voice. Thanks to Alexa, you can easily search for content, launch apps, play music, and much more, all through simple voice commands. But wait, there's more. For an even greater entertainment experience, we have a special treat for you. Visit the 2TV store today, and you can enjoy a free IPTV trial. Yes, that's right. Access to a wide range of channels and content for a limited time, absolutely free. So why wait? Try out the free IPTV trial from 2TV store and enhance your Fire TV Stick 4K experience like never before. Thank you for joining us today and discovering the amazing Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. Remember, with its 4K streaming, voice control, and the option for a free IPTV trial from 2TV store, your entertainment possibilities are limitless. Get your Fire TV Stick 4K now and elevate your viewing experience.